What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 33 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, August 13th. Happy Friday the 13th, guys. Hope everybody had a phenomenal green week. But before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below and sign up for Webull today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the tracker. Alright, guys, here we are inside my tracker. The tracker is acting really wonky right now. For whatever reason, like the links on the transaction tab aren't populating correctly. But no worries, we're gonna go through this step by step, one by one, let you know what happened. It's been an insane Chris Sain week this week. So to let you guys know, I did I want to say about 7 to 8 different transactions this week, maybe even more than that. As you can see, some of this is populating, some of it's not. But GNOG, I sold some of that. Let's see, Future FinTech, I averaged down in that. And then, of course, Tattoo Chef. I don't know this for a fact, but just look at the chart. It looks like Tattoo Chef has been shorted. You guys can confirm down below for me. But yeah, it looks like, yeah, it's just tanking all of a sudden. So I think it dropped like 15%. Pretty crazy today. But I hit my trailing stop loss in Coinbase, so I'm out of that. And I took profit. Let's see. Hyliion, I try to average down in that. Workhorse, try to average down in that to help mitigate the damage. And then, so what we can do is go into transactions. I'll show you what happened. So right about here. So if you guys follow me, you know my average price on Future FinTech was like $4.02. So I kept trying to average down on the 6th. So I bought it at 304, bought it at 311, then bought it at 347, then bought it at 354, then 348, and I just stopped. But I was just trying my best to hurry and just get that thing down as much as I possibly could. And then Hyliion, tried to do the same thing with that, average down on that, buying 8 shares. Workhorse, bought 13. Then Hyliion again at 966. And then, let's see, Coinbase, yeah, my trailing stop loss kicked me out at 266. Took profit in that. And then later on in the day, or later on in the week, I bought a little bit more of Hyliion so I can average down in that. So a lot was going on during the whole entire week. And options, I did 3 of them. So IGC, I lost out on that one, which is red right here. AMD won in that one, and Lithium America's won in that one. These 2 are Chris Sain's plays. This one I was just trying to just to see what happened type of place, and lost money in that one. And let's see. So yeah, made 40, 20, then lost 85 in that. So down about 25 in the week in option plays this week. And then deposits. Deposits I made, or I deposited $1,000 this week. So I'm at a grand total of $8,900 for the challenge. And with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the details and go into my app. All right, guys, here we are inside my app. Your boy is currently sitting at $12,153.43. And you can tell by this week that my top point was at $13,585. And then, of course, it ran hot, then it cooled off. And then now, again, I'm at, $12,153. And this is when I took profits in GNOG, and then I put in my buying power. That's why you can see it at $1,931.81. Because like now I'm just sitting on dry powder when I'm ready to buy or build out more of my plays. So let's go to AVPT. So for the week, at point I'm down almost 7.5%. See, total return, I'm down 33%. Average cost is at $14.40. AMC for the week, up 2.3%. Total return down 16.56%. Average cost is $40. Now the crazy one for the week, Future FinTech, down about 19.5% for the week. And then also I'm down total return 24.55%. Average cost is now $363. Like I was saying earlier, it was at $402, so I'm trying to chip away at it. And with this being like a an $8 to $10 price target. I can probably average that just a little bit more, but I'll probably wait like next month or so to do that. Now, Tattooed Chef, as you can see right here, this is kind of what I was saying, like it looks like it's been shorted. I don't know for a fact, but nevertheless, I'm still down a little bit above 15%. Total return, I'm down about 30% with the average cost of $24.80. GNOG for the week, up about 6%. Like I said, I sold 130 shares of this, so I kept, what is it, 25 shares. So I'm still riding the wave, see how far it can get me. But I'm up almost 22% in this play with the average cost of $15.88. Workhorse down a little bit above 5% for the week. Total return still down about 38% with the average cost of $15.12. Halion down about 11% or about 10.5%. Total return I'm down 21, about 22% with the average cost of $11.14. See Apple for the week, up 1.83%. I'm up about 17.25%. Average cost is $126.99. Crestwood Equity up 3% this week. Total return about close to 57% with the average cost of $17.26. And Innovative Industrial Properties up about 2%. Total return still up about 525%. Average cost of $37.88. And right now, the outlier right now, option play, I'm, let's see, a little bit down for the week though, up 7.83% in this play, but total return I'm still down almost 4%. So just to show you my account, so you can see how much money I actually deposited into my account. All right, guys, now you can see it deposited $500 August 10th twice. So just showing you guys again the transparency of how much money I'm putting into my account. But that being said, guys, if you made this far in the video, give your boy that thumbs up, hit subscribe, and the bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.